Hello YouTube and welcome to another retro unboxing video. Today I'm gonna unbox the Corsair Airflow memory module fan. I really don't know what it's called. I gotta put in the title. It's a Corsair RAM fan cooler. So yeah, this is going into my 2008 gaming build, just for the looks, to make it, you know, like they used to have it back in the day, you know, a cooler for the RAM. It's really not necessary, but it looks cool and fits the era of the build. So I just open the box for you. And this packing material is quite laughable. Some paper, some shredded paper. And let's see where it is. Oh, found it. Oof. Gonna put it aside. Gonna wipe it. So this is the Corsair Airflow, Corsair Airflow. I actually don't know what it's called. Just Airflow? No, it's for the Dominator memory, I remember. You can see on the pictures here. Oh. So clip on the retention lever, install the Dominator module or other memory into the DIMM socket. Remove the card from maximum working room. Make sure to locate the fan head for airflow to determine optimal orientation. Yeah, this is pretty straightforward actually, and it goes over the memory. You have these clips that you clip on these notches on the socket here. So yeah, gonna open it up. Alright. So what you get is you get these two brackets that goes over the memory clips. You can see these notches here align. You can screw in the screws here on the cooler. Get a box of screws to attach it, and you get the cooler itself. And this one is actually brand new old stock, and it's, wow, very good material. I didn't think this was metal. Okay, so this is pure metal, man. That's nice, very nice. That's a brushed aluminum look. So you got these two 60mm fans, and you plug in the bracket. Oh, this side, like so. So you can shift it, you know, how many DIMMs you have or where you want the airflow to go. So yeah, so this is how it looks. It looks very, very good actually. The Corsair Airflow. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you get the cooler, you got the mounting brackets, and you got the screws. So there you go. That's the cooler. I'm gonna do an installation video of this, because I pretty curious how it will look and stuff. I never actually used a RAM cooler before because I know that it doesn't do pretty much. Well, it does something, you know. It puts it you get some airflow over the memories, but memory usually don't get that hot. So you just bought it looks, just for the looks. So it's, yeah, it will look good. I will give you that. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.